Yeah, so let's continue from where we stopped yesterday. And today we'll be talking about variable, let, and constant. So let's say variable class, variable, let. Want to discuss variable and let. Variable function. Sorry, it's not function. Sorry, variable, let, and const in JavaScript. So in JavaScript, what do we mean by variable? Variable in JavaScript means a container, or you can say a memory location. A container in the sense that where you can keep something, where you can add something, you can just put something, okay, let me just keep this name, let me just keep this file, let me just keep this number, let me just keep this element or something. So in short, JavaScript variable is a memory location, or is a storage container, or is a place where you can store your data. So that is what we mean by variable in JavaScript. And JavaScript variable can be declared in 4 ways. You can declare variable, using automatic. You can declare it by using var. You can declare it by using let, and we can declare it by using const. So I will explain each of them and how it is being used. So let's say you want to declare variable by automatically. Let's say automatical declaration. I'm just commenting. Now, you remember I said variable is the memory location. Now, let's say I want to add, let's say I want to add 2 plus 2 together now. That 2 plus 2 is supposed to save somewhere. Ó gbọ́dọ̀ save síbi kan ni. Bẹ́ẹ̀ náà ni tí a bá submit form, ó gbọ́dọ̀ save síbi kan ni. Like a location, like a container, ibi táwọn kan máa save sí. Or ká tẹ̀sán pé a ní function kan, or a ní event kan tó máa save síbi kan. Now, for example, just my example, I can say I have y is equal to 2, 4 plus 4. Then, ma terminate. Tẹ̀sí get it báyẹn. Tí n bá save 4 plus 4 yìí, ó máa wá save sínú y ni. That is the meaning. That is what we mean by variable. Y yìí, òun ló ń pè ní variable. Ṣé tí ń get mi bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? Y is what we call variable. So, tá a bá wá fẹ́ wò pé okay o, tá a bá kọ programming language, a bá kọ anything, ibo ló fẹ́ save sí? Báwo ni wọ́n ṣe ń lò ó? Báwo ni mo ṣe lè save nǹkan mi, nǹkan báyẹn? The best thing ni kéèyàn lo variable láti lè fi save àwọn nǹkan yẹn. Irú nǹkan tí mo kọ yìí sìn, fẹ́ fi hàn yín ni o, bó ṣe máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ ni o. Because all these small fundamental, you need to know it. Hey, sorry. And so, okay, 4 plus 4. Then, I get to say I have x is equal to x is equal to 5. Terminate there. Then, what's ní Z is equal to X plus Y. Terminate òun náà. Sorry, I didn't put script. That lè jẹ́ kí kọ̀mpútà rí pé script ni mo ń kọ. Cut. Save. Ṣé rí pé kò hàn bí báyìí? Tọ̀kíánù ṣe wà pẹ̀lú mi. Because script ni. Wọ́n ní pé ṣe rí pé kò hàn ní bí báyìí. Nǹkan tí mo kọ kò hàn, ó wà hidden because script ni. So inú console yìí ló ti máa hàn, ló ti máa fún wa ní result o. Then báwo ni mo ṣe máa wá kọ element yẹn jáde? Tẹ́ bá rántí, we use get element by ID ní àná, àbí bẹ́ẹ̀ kọ́?
Mi ò follow dáadáa lánàá.
Follow lánàá. We use something that we call get element by ID. And get element by ID.
Yesterday.
Yes, get element by ID yẹn, function yẹn, òun la máa lò ní bíbá yìí nísìn láti lè fi output variable wa, láti lè fi output àwọn result tí a kọ jáde tá a kọ sí bíbá yìí tá a kọ sínú script yẹn. Then báwo la ṣe máa wá kọ jáde? Àkọsọ pé document dot get element by ID. Ní tí fa ID mi ní kankan, but ẹ̀kan kan sọ pé bóyá num, which is number, dot inner HTML is equal to.
What does that inner HTML mean?
It is just a syntax of calling or using get element by ID, and it's letting the get element by ID function knows that it is an HTML inner function. So let's now say our comment, the result of the number is what? It's going to be something. Which is let's say plus Z, because Z is any variable name one, ibẹ̀ ni mo fẹ́ kó show. Okay. Then sorry,
The Z is at the bottom. Why do you want to show the bottom part?
Because Y is a variable. 4 plus 4 is going to save here. The result 4 plus 4, which is 8. Eléyìí ló máa gbé dání, eléyìí ló máa save ẹ̀. 4 eléyìí náà, ó máa save ẹ̀. Mo ti wá add variable X and Y. Mo ti add ẹ̀ papọ̀ ní bíbá yìí. So result àwọn méjèèjì yìí inú Z ló ń lọ, which is Z ló máa jẹ́ sum gbogbo result tó wà ní bíbá yìí. Do you understand?
I understand what you're explaining, but I just don't understand the concept of it. But I understand what they're explaining.
So tell me what you don't understand.
I just don't understand why
total cost.
Yeah?
Total figure.
Yes, God bless you.
Yeah, me understand that aspect, but me understand why you're doing the total.
The reason why I'm doing the total stuff is because I want to show you how and what we mean by variable. What variable does.
Okay.
That is why I said variable is the memory location. Variable is a something, or is like a container that store data. So now Z is going to store X and Y data. And that is why I'm using document.get element by ID to output the variable, the data, which is X and Y data. Do you get? So inú script ni gbogbo eléyìí wà nsìn. Mo fẹ́ kó hàn nínú sentence. Fẹ́ kó wà nínú sentence. Fẹ́ kó jáde níbí báyìí. So màá wá lo id num.
Wo tó bá rọlù mí.
Let me save it. Check out what results. Do you see what I'm saying now?
Ayọ̀lá, wá lọ bomi mu wá
Fatima.
fún mi.
Can you do it again, please? I didn't really get that.
Okay.
Because
I'm just trying to
result number
explain.
is 12.
Yeah?
It says the result number is 12. So is that the 4 plus 4?
4 plus 4 is 8.
8.
Then x has 4. Asks 4. And the 4, ó máa wá save sínú x. 8 yìí, ó máa save sínú y. So x and y, mo wá plus x and y papọ̀ bí, which is 4 plus 8.
8 plus 4.
Ó máa jẹ́ 12. 12 yẹn máa wá save sínú 12, ó máa save sínú z variable. Mo wá output z variable yẹn ní ibi báyìí. And báwo mo ṣe lè output z variable? Òun ni kíní tí mo lò yìí.
I get that bit when you say document, get element and all of that. But when you then put the PID num on top,
Yeah.
why is that?
Because I want to show the value of z to the user. If you remember, anything between the script tag inú browser ló ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ kò ní show sí user ní rí anything. Nítorí pé mo fẹ́ fi result yẹn hàn yín, mo fẹ́ fi hàn àwọn user, mo máa ní láti output maybe a line of sentence or a paragraph. Mo wá lo id láti name paragraph yẹn ní line yẹn. Mo wá lo get element by id eléyìí ń pé kó lọ show result yìí kó wá show ẹ̀ nínú id bí. Tí ó bá yé mi gbọ́ Yorùbá dáadáa ni o, but let me comment this one out so that you will see what I'm saying.
Kọ́dù jọ torí Ọlọ́run, jọ mi ìfàlù jọ torí Ọlọ́run.
Do you see any result?
No.
Good. But if you inspect the browser and go to this, yẹ ká lè rí result yẹn níbí báyìí. Okay, a lè rí result yẹn bí because inú body ni mo copy, ni mo fi kíní mi sí, code mi sí, but láti lè jẹ́ kẹ́ lè rí nínú browser bí, I'll just do this way. I'll do it this way. I'll copy the script. Cut to the header. Paste. Save. Error cannot set property of not setting inner. Oh. I can't use inner HTML because in HTML ni mo ti lè lo ìyẹn. Okay. Come on. Ta ló ń yan báyìí? Are you tired?
I'm always tired of this time.
Ẹ má jẹ́ ká wá kó máa rí àwa náà.
I'm gonna mute myself.
Ẹ mọ̀ kí ni ẹ̀ máa ràn yàn ṣá, tí èèyàn náà bá yan, èèyàn náà kọ́ máa transfer ni.
Yeah, I know.
Transfer of yanni.
I'm usually tired around this time.
So that's the basic explanation of it. So let's now go to let's go to another way of declaring a variable. Shall I go to show padà?
Yeah.
Good. Nǹkan tí mo kàn máa fẹ́ kẹ́ note ni pé tẹ́ bá ń declare variable, get me? Ẹ máa ní láti understand why are you declaring a variable, the type of data tẹ́ fẹ́ store sínú variable yìí, and báwo lẹ ṣe lè lò ó. Ṣé ti get báyẹn? VA wọ́n máa ń lò nínú JavaScript code dáadáa, which is wọ́n máa fi ń declare variable ni. But tẹ́ bá dẹ̀ lo let náà, a lè sọ pé let, for example, let's use let because I comment we are going to use variable, we are going to use let. Ẹ kàn máa fi let sí bí pé let y is equal to this and let x is equal to this. Then
You're telling it like basically y should be this and x should be this.
Yes, simple as ABC. Kò sí
Can you
rẹpẹtẹ.
use that for if you're coding something that has nothing to do with numbers?
Coach.
If you're doing something that has nothing to do with numbers, can you use that?
Okay, let's say the same, okay, let y is equal to AD. Abi?
Something like that. Maybe words or phrase or something.
And let's say Ola. Supposed to be Adeola or something. So I will result to my phone. Variable.
But you didn't change the num.
That variable is not a number. No.
You didn't change
This one is
the
an ID. ID. This one is an ID. See, mo fẹ́ràn tí bá ṣe lè concatenate string name because this one is a string now. It's not a number.
Yeah.
Command command.
Mo fẹ́ràn tí.
Let's use the result of the number, the result of the alphabet, like a comment or the name.
Yeah. Okay, ṣé ní bíbá yìí? No. Yeah, it has nothing to do with this one.
Okay.
Yeah, it has nothing
Ṣé
to do with
plus
this
yẹn
one.
náà ní ṣiṣẹ́ ni coach? Either number or I don't know but plus máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ fún Python but I don't know about JavaScript.
Python nìyẹn. If you are using Python, ó máa concatenate but mo ń bọ̀. Ó yẹ kó concatenate méjèèjì papọ̀ kó show ẹ̀. Ade is not defined, yes. Supposed to be a string. If you want to define string name. Because let first name Let first name is this, and it's going to be in quotes. Yes. And last name, last name. First name, last name. Yeah. Let this be this, blah blah blah. Save. So it's make this exact one. Script. Let's add be this. And Adiola, first name plus last name, then Z. Let's full name. Is equal to lay again, I can do plus, but if I try, it'll be malo. Fatima, can you see?
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah. So
what did you use?
Let me go back there. You know, when I was explaining the variable, when I was explaining variable, number
The X
variable,
and Y.
yeah, X and Y stuff, it's because I'm using number. Because I'm using string, because this one is not a number. Anything to back in number to jẹ́ pé letter ni string la máa ń pè.
Okay.
We call it string under data type.
Okay.
So the bá fẹ́ join two string papọ̀ ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ fún ní quote níwájú yẹn. So quote tí mi ò fún lẹ́ẹ̀kan yóò ṣe kọ́kọ́ gbé nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ kó gbé wá gangan yóò ṣe kọ́kọ́ gbé yẹn wá. So ìgbà tí mo wá fún ní quote nísìn quote yẹn máa jẹ́ kí JavaScript rí as string kò ní rí as number. Ṣé mo pé number mo kàn fi number sí lásán ni mi ò fún ní quote.
Yeah.
Yes. So torí ẹ̀ ló ṣe báyẹn.
So the first one, which is the F name. So what did you call the second one? I or L?
Last name.
No. The second one. The first one is F name. The second one
is first name.
I understand that. Oh, so you mean that's L?
That is L.
Oh, me ò rí nǹkan tí mò ń béèrè nìyẹn.
Early ni.
So you now said if, you've left the place now. I'm trying to make sense of it.
Oh, yeah.
You now said let the full name equals F plus. Plus I. So why do you have that quotation mark in the middle?
I'm just trying to do something.
So F plus L should then give full name.
Yeah. It is Adeolu. Or Adeola or something.
Okay, so let's assume that you now put the Ola with the Ade, so Adeola. So you now put like a different name in there. So you're not saying because I assume that it's a form, and you said, okay, so T Abako something like this nǹkan tó ṣe kó accept ni doesn't necessarily mean gbọ́dọ̀ jẹ́ Adéọlá, or does it necessarily?
Can you recap, please? Could give me get.
Okay. Ká sọ pé okay ń sìn my own name, Fèyíṣará. Ká sọ pé the F, if F is Fèyíṣará, and then if L is Ali. You understand? Does that mean pé, like, tí bá fẹ́ run test kìíní ẹ̀ ń sìn, I can only put my own name there?
Tó bá jẹ́ pé you are using.
Let's say I want to run this code now,
Yeah.
and I just don't want to run it as Adéọlá. I want to run it as a different name.
You wanted to put your name. Yeah, you can replace the Ade and Ola.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
Yes,
you can replace the Ade.
Just run it without having anyway. Because this one we're being specific, it needs to be this, right?
Yes, we can do. Yeah, we are just trying to.
Okay. Let's just say that if you want to be generalizing it to just say, let F be first name and let L be last name without having to give a specific command.
Yes,
So
without giving a specific value.
Yes, but you're just doing like a general first name and a general last name. So how do you then do that?
That means, let me do something.
Sorry, I'm just asking too much question.
Yeah,
Normally, I'm usually asked for sleep during your class, but sorry, I'm awake today.
Necessary. Interesting.
It's not that, I'm just a little bit annoyed.
Okay, I think we have one form. Uniform, yeah, I think we'll be by. But get the question like that. Okay. Let us pay any F or last CV.
Yeah, hold on. How do you do this form? Because I would like to do my own form like this since I've not even done my form anyway properly.
It's because you normally sleep in the class.
That's
why you don't understand.
Thank you very much.
You don't know when.
Rub it in. Rub it in.
You don't know when we do it. I'll show you the so we create a two column. We use a grid form, grid template. Then we now put our form.
If I want to do, I don't want the contact us to be on the left. I want it to be like on the top.
Coach. The link to yesterday's class is yet to be released.
Oh, I'll send it to the group. Sorry. So back to your question. Mama forward. I'll forward it. Let me just explain this because I want to finish the class in determine learning. Finish it. But let me explain this. After class, I will now do what you asked me. I mean Fatima. So we create something like we are going to create something like this form.
Yeah.
You get. Taba create a form by anybody to ti fi orúkọ ẹ̀ síbí, tó fi username ẹ̀ síbí, tó fi first name síbí, tó fi last name síbí, tó fi gbogbo form yìí, tó bá ti submit, tó bá ti kọ́kọ́ ṣe submit, ó máa kọ́kọ́ show orúkọ ẹ̀ pé kó compare orúkọ yìí, show correct. Ó máa match àwọn orúkọ yìí, ó máa gbé gbogbo result kìíní ẹ̀ jáde síta kó tó dín pé ó máa ṣe submit. So anybody tó bá ti ń forúkọ ẹ̀ sí,
yes, this is what I meant, like like the one you're designing now.
Yeah,
let's assume
nǹkan téèyàn lè fi ṣe náà nìyẹn. We can use that method to achieve that style, that particular goal. So,
yeah, but how do you do that?
I will explain to you, then you now do it.
I will do it.
Yes, I will explain to you, you will now do it. You wanted to know. It's good to know. Yeah, it's good to know. But let me explain this to you. Adesas, are you there? In case you want to do something like that. Nibi field name yìí, which is Ola. Then ibi tí a kọ last name sí tí mo kọ Bakari sí. These two field, we are going to give it an ID. A máa fún eléyìí ní ID, a fún eléyìí náà ní ID, a fún address náà ní ID, a fún phone number náà ní ID. A wá sí bíbá yìí báyìí. Eléyìí ó ti ní ID already, which is first name. Eléyìí náà ní ID. Eléyìí náà ní ID. Eléyìí náà ní ID. Country náà ní ID. Then a máa wá lọ sí a máa wá create JavaScript.
With 13, sorry. No, okay, so first name, you just said first name.
Do you have any issue with this one? Like what you don't understand?
ID, first name.
Are you writing it down?
Huh?
Are you writing it down?
Not yet.
Coach,
So,
I can see something like .php. When did we do that?
Where is that? This one, right?
Níbi
It's an
form
external.
action.
Yeah.
Form
Dot
action.
PHP.
Mo rí submit.php. Ìgbà wo la ṣe PHP?
Onda, mi ò rí o, onda.
Fọ́ọ̀mù yín níbi tí ẹ ti create fọ́ọ̀mù yín yẹn. Ẹ ti fi
Òun náà
action
ni.
sí.
Hold on now. Stop
Action. Oh, níbí báyìí àbí? Ṣé last time kọ́ ni ká ní mo ń ṣe kíní yìí fún náà? I was explaining this to someone. Tí mo fi kíní sí
I'm
pé
not
tá bá
sure
fẹ́
it
post.
is this class.
Pé tá bá fẹ́ post ẹ̀ tá bá fẹ́ submit. Ṣé kò ń ṣe kíláàsì yìí ni?
I am not sure.
Wọ́n
Àfi
ṣe
tó bá
bí
yẹ pé
o.
lánàá lẹ bá ṣe é tí mo sùn lọ. Torí lánàá mo
Àṣé
sùn.
Ànàkọ́. Ẹnìkan ni mo fi ń
Mi ò sùn lánàá náà, bọ̀ àṣé lánàá ṣá.
ẹnìkan ni mo
It is
fi ń
not
ṣàlàyé fún. But ẹ má worry, ẹnìkan mo fi ń ṣàlàyé fún. So ibi nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ sọ ni pé ID yìí la fẹ́ lò. We use this ID. A máa lo ID wọn ní kọ̀ọ̀kan. ID wọn la máa fi print out nǹkan báyìí.
Okay. So you
Statement
say first name.
Yes, ibi tí norms wà yìí la máa fi first name sí, first name, last name, phone number. Do you get?
So we're still gonna do the get element and we just put
Definitely,
first name.
you are going to do the get element .id because you are using an ID. Unless if you are not using ID, if you are using class name, then you replace get element by ID by class.
Which one is class now? Like class name?
Yes, if you are using class, like you are not using ID, use class.
What's class?
Class is the same thing as ID. It's performing the same function.
Okay.
Depends on your own preference. Do you get?
Mo ti ń get it, but
Ọlọ́run ṣeun.
Now you're being sarcastic.
No. In fact, I'm excited that you are getting it. So we are using get element by ID, get element by ID, get element by ID. So now, for example, if we want to have a statement like this, a lè tún sọ pé a lè nírú nǹkan báyìí. Nǹkan sọ pé mo fẹ́ create another variable name. Nǹkan sọ pé okay, mo fẹ́ lo let náà ni o. Let Fatima. I'll use your name this time around. Let Fatima is equal to. So let Fatima is equal to. Give me a sentence, Fatima.
I don't know.
Just say something about you.
I'm stubborn.
Wàhálà nǹkan tó wà mind mi náà nìyẹn.
Oh my goodness gracious me.
To God who made me. Wàhálà nǹkan tó wà mind mi nìyẹn.
You could have at least disagreed. Wow.
You said it yourself.
Wow.
You said it yourself. You said you are stubborn.
And you said that's exactly what was on your mind.
Honestly, nǹkan tó wà mind mi nìyẹn pé.
Tọ́kíánù ṣe wà ń bẹ̀. Ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ sí staff yìí.
Láti gbé laptop lẹ́ọ̀.
my goodness.
Continue.
Okay. Oh. So, kí ni mo fẹ́ ṣe gan-an?
Ní tí ọba ti fẹ́ ṣàbùsí nǹkan tó máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nìyẹn, èèyàn máa ń gbàgbé nǹkan tí èèyàn fẹ́ ṣe ni.
Àlàyé ó dẹ̀ pa mi lórí ṣá.
Evil laugh. Let Fatima, I am stubborn.
Àlàyé mo ti gbàgbé nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ ṣe.
Ṣebí nǹkan tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ṣe ni pé
Mo fẹ́ style kan wà lórí mi.
Kó rí confirm.
Ọ̀tọ̀ nìyẹn mo ti fún assignment yín nìyẹn.
Èwo tún ní assignment yìí?
Assignment yín ni tí mo sọ fún yín.
Which one?
Nǹkan tí mo sọ pé form tí mo sọ lẹ́ẹ̀kan.
Oh, the form is our assignment.
Yes, the form is your assignment.
Oh, I got that.
Adisas.
Okay, ṣé pé ká design form yẹn?
Yes, ẹ máa design form yẹn. Ẹ bá wá kílíkì, ẹ bá ti kílíkì submit. Ó máa kọ́kọ́ print gbogbo information yẹn, á kọ́kọ́ print ẹ̀ sísàlẹ̀. Tó bá wá print ẹ̀ sísàlẹ̀, ẹ wá ṣe submit, ẹ ṣe wá ṣe okay.
Oh.
Yes. Nǹkan tó bá yé yín bẹ́ẹ̀, ẹ máa sọ ní group.
Ló bá tán.
Yeah?
It's how to start the form gangan ni problem man.
No. Starting from yìí kò le. Mo fẹ́ lo print ni. Orí Fatima ṣe wá lè báyìí torí Ọlọ́run.
Orí mi le gan-an, ọ̀ lè fi mí ṣe nǹkan kan. Ọ̀tẹ̀ orí mi ò gbàbọ̀dé.
Ṣábọ̀dé la fi wá.
Nígbà tó sọ pórí mi le ni mo dẹ̀ confirm pórí mi le.
Okay, a dẹ̀ tún lè ṣe báyìí náà, pé okay, let Fatima. Let Fatima be. I am stubborn Fatima.
I am stubborn Fatima.
So, a lè wá sọ pé okay, eléyìí ti print ẹ̀ síbẹ̀ yẹn. Ẹ̀kọ́ bá mi print Fatima náà síbi. Ká wá lo class facts.
Why did you flag it? It's go red.
Me close tag.
Okay.
So, say, Mama shaking in the image. So, get element by ID Fatima Fat. Say sentence was similar money, so I don't know what to write again. I think what to go see no system one. Yes, yeah.
Now you're trying to say I'm fat. Actually, I know I'm fat.
Fatima ni mo fẹ́ sọ. To be sincere, you say what's mind me now? Wallahi. That one
No,
is
if
not
not, you would have put
even.
it there.
Yeah?
I said, if not, you would have put it there.
No. Fatima mo fẹ́ kọ síbi mo kọ shorting name yẹn. Credit code me run. Why?
Probably run.
It's going to run, don't worry. It's going to run.
Okay. Hey, my lord.
Aláì tí ò bá rán nù, màá parí kíláàsì òní ni.
Tí ò bá rán bọ́ọ̀lù ẹ̀ ṣe fẹ́ kẹ́kọ̀ọ́, ẹ múra sí kẹ́lẹ́nu ẹlẹ́jọ́ wà. Aago méjìlá ẹ wà ń bẹ́ẹ̀ ní sùn.
No, but you don't understand what he's trying to do now. By saying Fatima is fat, Fatima is stubborn.
You confirm it yourself now. You said Fatima is stubborn.
Yeah, but Mozilla confirm it. I said something. She did not confirm that I'm stubborn.
Why don't I confirm? Konishi Okini. Get element by class. Last name. Save. Save. I want to use get element by ID, then get element by class, name.
Ouch. This Cheryl, okay, problem. It's taking a bloody hair out. That's what I know.
So something is not right somewhere. Did you mean phone con? Let me use the ID. Is he talking? How? What is wrong with this? God, why is he not showing? Ẹ̀kọ́ jẹ́lẹ̀ ló máa fún mi ní ló máa delay mi náà. Well, sentence yìí ni o.
Well, unfortunately, the sentencing is not sentencing.
I don't know why it's not sentencing, but don't worry. I will comment it out and I will use it again. But,
good luck.
I will use it again.
Good luck. Now you are stubborn.
Yeah, very, very stubborn.
I can see that.
Very, very stubborn. So let me just say something about we've talked about variable, we've talked about let, how to use let, how to use variable. Then let's try to see const. Let me check this table. Comment variable, let function, constant. Then operation, normal operation is operation, okay? Okay. Commenting this one out. Comment this one as well. Ìgbà ni kí n máa retí assignment yẹn. Ta ló ṣe à?
Èmi náà ni.
Adesas.
Èyí ṣara.
So, in const variable, in constant, let's say in JavaScript, like the way we use let variable and the way we declare variable, the way we declare let, we can declare variable with const, and any variable that we declare with const cannot be redeclared again. Only because tí jẹ́ pé a ti lè declare variable, a lè declare variable within a scope, and then a lè declare variable outside the scope. Bí pé a lè lo variable yẹn anywhere. That is global declaration. So tá a bá lo const variable, a ní lè redeclare variable yẹn mọ́ bí nísìnyí ká sọ pé first name nísìnyí ká lo variable, ká sọ pé let first name is this. Let first name be this yẹn, a sì lè lo níbòmíì tó bá yẹ pé we declare it globally. Bóyá next class a máa discuss bí yẹn ṣe lè declare variable globally, then bí yẹn dẹ̀ ṣe lè declare variable within the scope. So, and then variable tá a bá declare pẹ̀lú const, a ní lè redeclare ẹ̀ mọ́. Ṣé ti get báyẹn? Because const variable, const kíní ó máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ nínú block scope ni, kò kí ń ṣiṣẹ́ globally débi pé nínú code yẹn ṣì lè lọ call function yẹn bí nísìnyí kẹ́ wà nínú iyàrá ń sìn. Iyàrá yẹn ó dàbí block of scope ni. Kẹ́ wá lọ sí pálọ̀, kẹ́ wá sọ pé ẹ fẹ́ pe ẹni tó wà nínú yàrá kó wá bá yín on TV níbí báyìí, kò ní ṣiṣẹ́ tó bá jẹ́ pé const declaration lè lò. But tó bá jẹ́ pé let declaration ni àbí ẹ lo variable declaration, ẹ lè pè pé okay o, Bímbọ́ ó yá wá bá mi tan TV mi sálẹ̀. But ẹ bá ti lo const, ẹ ní lè sọ pé kó wá mọ̀ because ẹ ti permanent ẹ̀ sókè pé okay ní kó ti máa ṣiṣẹ́, kó má wá sálẹ̀ wá ṣe anything. That is the simple analysis tí mo lè ṣe tó lè fi yé yín dáadáa ń bẹ̀ yẹn. Ṣé ti
I
get
don't know why
báyẹn?
you use TV.
I
don't know why you use that.
because nǹkan táwọn èèyàn máa sábà ṣe nìyẹn. Ẹni yẹn máa wà ní living room, á wá pẹ́ni tó wà nínú kíní pípọ́ bọ̀ òun mú remote tó wà ní orí tí
Àwọn
orí
ìyàwó ló máa ń ṣe bẹ́ẹ̀.
ẹ ti mọ orú nǹkan báyẹn.
Ó
So
kọ́mọ̀ fún wa, àwa Yorùbá
Àwọn ìyàwó ló máa ń ṣe
tó
bẹ́ẹ̀.
wà
ẹ ti mọ orú nǹkan báyẹn. So
ẹ máa wà ní kitchen, wọ́n máa ní my dear wá bá mi mú kíní.
And the remote is right there in front of them.
So irú nǹkan tá a lè declare tá a bá fẹ́ lo const, ó máa jẹ́ nǹkan tó jẹ́ pé a ní lè declare ẹ̀ mọ́, a ní lè sọ pé a tún fẹ́ redeclare ẹ̀ mọ́ bí ká sọ pé à ń ṣe calculation. Àwa sọ pé a ti mọ̀ pé normally the value of pi is kíní kan, bóyá 3.15 kíní kan ní value of pi, mi ti rántí gan mọ́.
Is X.
Mo ṣáà pé 22/7 ní pi. So
3.14.
Yeah, 3.14, yes. Ẹ̀yin ṣì wà níléèwé.
No,
3.14.
lecturer ni wọ́n máa rántí.
14. 3.14.
So mi ṣáà pé 3.1 kíní kan ni. Then mo dẹ̀ wọ́n pé 22/7 ní pi. So a máa sọ pé const o because pi kò kí ń change. Àyẹ̀wò sọ pé pi nísìn, pi is equal to this. But ká tó sọ pé pi is equal to this yẹn, a ti máa lo const pi is equal to this. That means pé kò lè ever change. Ẹ ti get bẹ́ẹ̀, kò lè ever change because a ti declare as constant ni, constant k tí ò lè ever change mọ́. That is the main example of using const to declare something. Ẹ ti get bẹ́ẹ̀, and then ibi tá a dẹ̀ ti máa ń lo constant ni bóyá ká máa ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú array in the sense that ká máa submit form, ká máa sọ pé káwọn form yẹn kí wọ́n máa submit serially àbí kọ́ máa submit by array tí kan bá ti submit tán ni kíkan wà lẹ́yìn kíkan yẹn náà tó submit ẹ̀ tó mọ orú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ tí mo mean by array and then na dẹ̀ lè lo constant declaration náà tá a bá fẹ́ declare object or tá a bá fẹ́ declare function so things like that bó ṣe máa ń lò ó nìyẹn so fún bí calculation ló máa sábà lo const fún jù bí calculation or bí object ká sọ pé a fẹ́ select orúkọ nínú àwọn data tẹ submit bí data table tẹ ṣe lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn ká sọ pé a fẹ́ submit orúkọ wọn and then orúkọ object ni but a bá fẹ́ declare pẹ̀lú const a máa dàbí string for example kí ni mo lè lò let's say I want to declare script nǹkan tá à ń kọ nísìnyí script là ń kọ báyìí yes I want to try.
I have a question. This JavaScript of a thing, can it come anywhere within the body?
Ẹni pé inú body náà ni mo ti ń declare mo ti ń kọ látàárọ̀.
Mo mọ̀ pé inú body ni bọ̀kan tí mo fi ń bèrè ni pé ṣàmọ̀ the last time tá a lò ó pẹ̀lú form.
A lò nínú head a lè lórí head.
Okay, a lè ló ń bí head náà.
Yes, ẹ lè ló ń bí head náà.
Okay.
Ẹ lè ló ń bí head náà. Ẹ lè ló ní bí head náà. I'm trying to look for example tí mo lè lò fún constant ni o.
Oh Lord.
Ìrántí mi mọ nǹkan tí mo lè lò mi mọ example tí mo lè lò fún const. I don't know. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pa mi lórí ṣá. Báwo ni const ṣe máa ń ṣiṣẹ́ o? Ṣé wàá fún mi lálẹ́ kí n fi wá example const fún yín níjọ́ Friday báyìí?
Okay.
Ẹ má bínú mi mọ̀ pé mo máa ṣe ìgbà tí wá example ta lè lò.
Hello, coach.
So, yeah.
Binu. As well, we have 4 types of Java.
Java nígbà ni.
Java variable.
Okay.
Automatic bar.
Mi gbọ́.
As well, automatic abi.
Yes.
Bar abi.
var variable var. Then
automatic.
let.
Okay.
Then we have constant, which is nǹkan tí mo sọ tán sìn.
Constant.
Yeah, constant.
That means automatic bar.
Automatically constant. Variable let then constant. Constant yẹn ni ò kì í change. Yes, let. Tá máa sọ pé let Fatima is kinní kan. Let Fatima is equal to kinní kan. Yeah.
Kò sí bá ńbẹ̀.
Kò sí bá ńbẹ̀ o. Kò sí bá variable ni var òun ni var. Yeah, automatic variable let constant.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
So bí ẹ ṣe ń lọ nìyẹn. So and then nínú JavaScript gbogbo arithmetic function tá máa ń lò nínú kí lorúkọ ẹ̀ tá máa ń lò nínú mathematics náà la máa ń lò nínú JavaScript. If you are using plus addition náà ni minus subtraction asterisk fún multiplication double asterisk fún exponential bá ṣe máa ń lò yẹn / fún division ẹ ti get báyìí so then tá bá dẹ̀ ń lo plus a máa ń lò yẹn fún increment ni so kò sí nǹkan tó JavaScript is more like kéèyàn kàn máa try láti fi àwọn functions sínú web browser èèyàn inú browser ló ti ń ṣiṣẹ́ kò ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí server.
Okay.
Ṣé ti get báyẹn? So kò ń ṣiṣẹ́ lórí server rárá, kò ń ṣe anything pẹ̀lú server side.
Okay.
Inú Java, inú browser ló ti máa ń ṣiṣẹ́, browser ló ń bá ṣiṣẹ́. So that is that for today. Bí a tó bá ti di next class, ẹ jẹ́ kí n tẹ̀ kọ́ kalẹ̀ sí bíbá kí n dè mọ̀. Next class we are going to do example on constant, on const.
Then fídíò kíláàsì méjèèjì.
Yeah. Then a máa ṣe example on function, JavaScript function. Yeah. Then object as well.
You talk about the local and global variable too.
Yes. Local. Homework to Paul. Local and global. Yeah, and global variable.
I'm not back glad to send the cut of let's send this in you.
By declaration, you shall. Declaration delay. It's more use correct. The declaration of global, yeah. So I'm gonna put but I'm gonna discuss about it in the next class. Call on checking the right prepare for. Inshallah. So
our next class is on Friday now.
Yes.
So the assignment, we said we should create the table, the form.
Yeah, the assignment is to create this. Let me show you again. You create a form. You can create your form in any form. Like Kosha Atini, àwọn nǹkan tí mo show lẹ́ẹ̀kan yẹn. So you create a form, then after creating a form, when user click on OK, that means you are going to use on click button. You are going to give me two buttons, one button to output all the data that user input for user to confirm. Then the second button, submit button. Button.
Ṣebí submit button náà ló máa ṣiṣẹ́ méjèèjì.
Ẹ lè jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́ méjèèjì, ẹ dẹ̀ lè jẹ́ kó ṣiṣẹ́ lọ́tọ̀ọ̀tọ̀, but you can give me two buttons. You can also give me one button. Nǹkan tí mo kàn ṣáà fẹ́ rí ni pé kó kọ́kọ́ show gbogbo data tí user yẹn fi sínú àwọn text box yẹn. So tó bá ti show gbogbo àwọn.
But ṣe ń sìn kò sí tẹ́lẹ̀.
Ẹ́ mi gbọ́.
Eléyìí tẹ́ fi kọ́ wa ní class kò show.
Ní kò show ẹ̀.
The one we use for practice.
Kò show ẹ̀. Reason tí ò ṣe show ẹ̀ ni pé àti débi JavaScript ńgbà yẹn. Yeah, mo mọ̀ náà. Mo dẹ̀ ti kọ́ yín ní nǹkan tẹ́ lè fi ṣe. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe sọ pé ẹ máa lo get element by ID. Mo dẹ̀ sọ nǹkan tẹ́ máa lò fún yín, which is you are going to use an ID to get all the elements. Sorry, to get all the data.
Again.
Arisas. Ta ló mi kanlẹ̀ báyìí?
Èmi ni o, ẹ máa wọ tí yóò.
Ìgò ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan mà ti ń lọ nìyẹn.
Ìgò ẹ̀jẹ̀ kan. Ẹ máa wọrí mo ló gbọ́dọ̀ ní.
Arisas. Hello. So mo tún explain again. I'm explaining again. Ṣé ń gbọ́?
Network is not stable.
À ń gbọ́ yín o.
Nǹkan tí mò ń try láti sọ ni pé box yìí, text box yìí, just before you get your credit score, share. I'm coming now.
gbọ́ yín mọ́.
Yeah, mo attend sí nǹkan kan. Nǹkan tí mo tọ́ láti sọ ni pé you design a form like this. Text box yìí, ẹ máa fún ní ID. Ó ti ní ID already. So you just use get element by ID function láti lè get àwọn data tó wà nínú ID yìí. Sorry, láti lè get àwọn data tó wà nínú text box yìí. Then ẹ máa wá display ẹ̀ sísàlẹ̀. Ẹ máa create another paragraph tag. Kẹ́ display gbogbo àwọn data yẹn. Tẹ́ bá display àwọn data yẹn, ẹ ṣe wá click submit. Gaskia. Ló bá tán. So if you have any problem, just send a message to the group. Then,
no, sorry, I was doing something. Won't do me. Nǹkan tẹ́mi fẹ́ bèrè ni pé, you know how we started the old form?
Okay.
With the HTML.
Yes.
Are we going to start this one like that as well?
Yes.
Okay.
The same syntax, the same template, the same pattern.
Right. But it makes sense what you're doing.
So let's stop today's class here. Then we meet on Friday for revision of Monday and Tuesday. And I'll be expecting the assignment. Yeah.
Assignment.
So
okay.
Let me stop the video recording so I can